Can you hold that for me?
We're almost to the shades.
I know. She wants a blankie. Let's put a hat on your head. It'll keep, because a hat on your head will keep you warm.
Why?
Because all the heat goes out of the top of your head.
I don't want my shoes on.
Well, you don't have to leave your shoes on, but if you don't leave your shoes on, you can't get out of the wagon, okay? Here. Lay down. Is that good?
I want to leave.
You want to what? Want to what? You want to sleep?
Yeah.
Oh, we should put you in your pajamas.
What? Oh, my pajamas? In my clothes. In my clothes.
You can sleep in your clothes, but when we get to the car, we're going to put you in your pajamas.
And I got mushroom on it.
What? Mushrooms?
Yeah.
Really? Look at that big Christmas tree in the back of that truck. They're going to put that big Christmas tree up and decorate it. Is
That's
that,
a 16-foot Christmas tree.
is that awesome?
I don't think this is the observatory.
Super cool.
I think this is the restaurant.
Take a picture of it.
Take a picture of it?
Yeah.
I bet Grandpa will do that. Grandpa, will you take a picture of the big tree for us?
What is this where we are now?
Do you want us to be in the picture?
No, this is not. Would you like to go in the house?
Do you want to be in the picture? Leia wants to be in the picture.
Why you not do down?
Oh, lay down. We're good.
Why?
Wait a second. Where are we? Come with Grandma.
Why?
Because we're going to take a picture with the big one.
It's a 3-second slow.
So good at closing my eyes.
We're just going to stay right here.
That's a good one. Should we try to get one? Oh my gosh, let's go get two bags.
All right.
Hey guys, 100% get in.
Hop on, everyone.
Get in. But I want to see the Longwood Farm, so go to the right of the sign.
Okay, sit down.
Everybody
sit
by
down.
Bronx. Turn around. See, move this way.
Here. I'm going to get you all warm.
My hands.
Your hands. Are they cold?
No, it's not.
That way.
Okay.
Ella, move. There you go. Perfect.
Oh, I see you hear lots of kids in the treehouse.
I want to go in the tree house.
You want to go in the treehouse?
Yeah.
Ah,
Right now.
we're going to go see the train, and you have to put your shoes back on.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Why? get between the cars.
That's okay. We'll just put them back.
Look!
Oh, it's a rainbow.
That's a rainbow.
It's a rainbow.
I got
Stay to the right. You're going to get right
in the book. I want to go in the tree house.
Feel them on your face.
Hey, Donna, I got this.
Is it plane up there?
What?
I don't know, but the train.
Train?
Wait till you see the train. You ready to get out?
I want my shoes.
What?
I want my shoes on.
You want your shoes on? I bet you do. Here. Here. You're gonna have to pull your feet out for me to get your shoes on. Sit right there. Sit right there.
Why? What's this?
I don't know.
Let's take it out.
No, just leave it there.
What's that? That's a puff.
It's mine.
Is that yours? Why?
Mine.
Why?
Here, this foot.
Well, when you get sick and then go in the doctor and do that walk.
I don't know. Look at all the people coming to see the train. You push your foot in. There you go.
But I think that's
Not going on the train.
No, we're not going. It's a little train.
It's a piece of wood.
It's a little train.
Why?
It's a model train, like Thomas, the tank engine. You know Thomas?
No.
No, you don't know Thomas? Come on. You know Thomas.
Train coming.
Hold on.
the kids are in the treehouse.
Okay, push your foot in. Okay, you're ready to go. You got your drink? Okay, hook it on. All right, fix your hat, fix your hat.
Why?
Because it's falling off your head.
Oh. Hey, it was on my eye. I'm not feeling it.
Here. Hold on my hand. Hold on my hand.
That's Thomas saying.
Oh, wow.
I remember like when the kids were young. What's thinking, oh no, what do we do? I have to go somewhere. Oh, that's always fun. Yeah. Take the kids. They act like they didn't like it. I think they like it.
I want to watch the train. I want to watch the train.
So we're gonna walk around and see if we can find another train.